name is Michel dos Santos. I'm from Swindon, UK, and this is my CS50 SQL final project. As you can see here, first of all, I create the church database schema diagram that will help me to visualize and manage the other queries. First, I create the tables: church, pastors, events, teams, members, donations, groups, and users, the system users. Which in between, I create the many-to-many table that will be for pastors to churches, making it easy for me to link one or more pastors to one church. The same way, I can have one church with a senior pastor and a youth pastor. For users as well, you can have one user managing one or more churches. At the same way, you can have one church with one or more users. That works for groups as well. You can have one group with one or more members, and we can have one member that can be connected to one or more groups. For the teams as well, can be worship teams, can be reception, the kids, and many others. You can have one team with one or more members working there, as you can have one member being one or more teams. We go to the schema SQL. I create the schema SQL, where is all the queries to create the database and the tables, as you can see here, including especially for pastors. We don't delete, but we just tag as active or inactive, as I can see. Churches as well, users, and members. We're not gonna delete, but we just switch on and off as active or inactive. After that, I create the indexes here, and below I create the views, 3 views. After that, I create a file for all the queries, which first comes the inserts for all the tables. After that, we select the updates and exclusions. And the last one, I created the design.md. That's the main file, describing the scope, the title, scope, functional requirements, representation, entities, and the tables, relationships, optimizations, indexes, and views, limitations. And the last 2 questions: what are the limitations of your design? We know this is, I believe, for a small to medium-sized church. I don't think we work for a big complex church. And we didn't, regarding to the database, they're not really focused on donations and management or regards to money. I think it should be more complex application with accounting. We just can control each member and how gave and which offer, like tithing, offering, and how much and when it happened. But we can go further than this. This is my final project, CS50 SQL. Thank you guys.